Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and tools. First, copy everything you need to an external drive and confirm files open. Once done, download the ISO for the OS you will install and a USB imager like Rufus. Make a bootable USB on a separate machine, selecting the correct partition scheme for your PC, GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy. After creation, label the drive and shut down the PC to access the firmware setup for boot order changes. You now boot from the USB and perform the wipe and install. Press the firmware key, disable fast boot if present, then boot the installer from USB. When prompted for installation type, choose Custom or Manual. Delete Windows System, Recovery, and EFI partitions to remove Windows 11 fully. Create fresh partitions or let the installer auto-partition. This step removes remnants and prevents accidental rollback. Proceed with the installation and follow on-screen prompts to set up users, time zone. You finish by rebooting into the newly installed system and installing drivers plus updates. Make sure hardware functions. If the machine won't boot, check UEFI/legacy boot mode and re-enter firmware to confirm the correct disk is first. You may need to repair or reinstall the bootloader from the installer's rescue options. Once stable, copy your saved data back and test apps. Keep a recovery USB for troubleshooting. If issues persist, use that media to run diagnostics or repeat the install process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.